Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to install VLC Player in Windows 11 operating system. How to do this? Let's start. Search VLC in Google search. You will find official website of VLC Player. Now click on it. Now we can see here the VLC website interface. Click on small arrow key. Find the compatible version of VLC Player here. We are using Windows 64-bit. Now we are downloading Windows 64-bit VLC Player setup. This is the official VLC Player website and you will be able to download the latest version of VLC Player from here. We can see right here your download will start in few seconds. It will take some time in some scenario. Click on Start Download button if you are using Internet Download Manager. It will take some time. After that, VLC Player setup ready to install in your PC or laptop. Right click on the VLC Player setup and run as administrator. Select appropriate language and press OK button. Now we just need to click next and press install option. Installation process is being started and now it will take some time. Now we can see here installation is completed and now we are ready to use VLC Player in our PC or laptop. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.